What is a SEP and why is it bad? A SEP is an abbreviation for a separation order that typically gets put in place when you are incarcerated and you either have your co-defendants in the same jail facility or you have a cooperator in the same jail facility. A separation order is exactly what it sounds like. You can't be housed in the same unit as the person that you have a separation order from. You also cannot go to common areas like the visiting room at the same time if the other person, and you typically cannot do educational programming or have a job outside the unit if you have a separation order. For example, at MDC Brooklyn, if you have a separation order, you cannot work in the kitchen. So separation orders are put in place by the U.S. Attorney's offices. They're typically done to keep the cooperators safe. They're done to keep the clients or the defendants from talking to each other about the case. And separation orders can be lifted by the U.S. Attorney's office as quickly as they were put on. And we've once had a case where we had two clients with separation orders and we represented one client and the other client had his attorney. We ended up on the eve of trial going to MDC to meet with both of them, and MDC said there's a separation order, we're not going to bring both of them down at the same time, and we both had interpreters with us because the clients didn't speak English fluently, and so we had to contact the U.S. Attorney's office to say we need the SEP lifted, and we negotiated for the SEP to be lifted for a day.